Hello, I wrote a Python program to auto-generate stream schedule announcements for Discord. So something you can do with Discord is if you give it the Unix epoch time, you can actually have it print out the time in whatever user's local time zone is. So obviously converting to epoch time can get kind of tricky, and that's why I wrote this Python program, so it'll do all of that automatically for you. And there's just a couple of parameters here that it has. So the first one is schedule.json, and this is going to be the input file, which has all of the stream titles and the times. And I'll show you that here in a minute. Next is the minimum padding length, and that's going to be the padding between the stream title and the actual time. Next is the padding character, and that just tells the program what character to put in as padding. By default, I have it set to a dash, but you can choose like a space or anything else that you'd like. And then finally, I have the output file, and this is where it's going to print the actual announcement that you'll paste into Discord at the end. So let's take a look at the JSON file and what that should look like to use this program. So it has a few parameters here. First is the stream count, and you'll just want to set that to the number of streams that you're gonna have in your announcement. So by default, I just set it to 7 because there's 7 days in a week. And then you have a streams array, which holds all of the information for each of the streams. So for each of those individual stream elements, you have a title, a year, month, day, hour, minute, and that's pretty much it for that. If you want to add another stream, all you're going to want to do is go down here, type a comma, and then copy and paste one of these examples and just put that down there at the end. And then you want to change the stream count number to +1. And obviously, if you want to remove streams, same idea, just delete everything up to the comma for however many streams you want to delete, and then set the stream count to however many streams you have. And now I'll go ahead and show you how to actually run this program. So once your streamtimes.py file and your schedule.json file are in the same directory, all you have to do is type python streamtimes.py, and it is case sensitive. And then it will generate all of the stream times, and it will print them to the console, as well as print them to the specified output file. That's pretty much it. There's more information in the README file if you really need it, and all of this is on GitHub. Thank you.